Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Also buy Dr. Oetker Natron in specialty stores and use it when baking lebkuchen. While baking powders may differ, sodium bicarbonate equals baking soda equals natron is the same regardless of which company it comes from.
Take our lead.
Baking soda and bicarbonate of soda are different names for the same thing. In Australia, we mostly refer to it as bicarbonate of soda, but overseas, especially in America, it is referred to as baking soda. They aren't interchangeable, but bicarbonate of soda and baking powder are both leavening agents.
Take our lead.
Natron is a rising compound. Baking soda powder is perhaps the nearest, and uses much the same chemicals. But it won't be exactly the same. Cookies will not be as crisp, for example. An other replacement could be hartshorn, which will give the crispness, but may rock the taste a bit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.